On behalf of the consortium of companies, I wish to welcome all the friends from Thailand, from Vietnam, from the ministries to this strategic cooperation for heavy transportation installation signing ceremony. I've been here in Cambodia, up and down, left and right, in and out, for 34 years. So I just met a friend, Daralin, and he is also an old-timer here. He's a Cambodian, but he is one of the brainchild of the government of the Kingdom of Cambodia. I want to say there are 6 oil fields, offshore oil fields in Cambodia. And CMS was a transporter logistic management for all the 6, Block A until Block F. One thing I want to emphasize is CMS is a very small, very not too knowledgeable and very poor company. But we always do national projects. We do infrastructure projects, we do government projects. 90% of our projects are government.
It is a privilege actually to stand here in front of all of you in this significant milestone where we are trying to make all this infrastructure and energy development of Cambodia easier with our experience in other countries.